Rhythm4.
Rhythm5.
Okay.
Are you guys Rhythm4?
Yes.
I'm such a huge fan.
From Rhythm4.
我被海内蒙，跑到北的中，要被西方式路线，朦胧被一起丰收。
What's up, guys? This is Joey Vang from Rhythm4. We are on our way to RMF, to the fairground. Yeah. Taking out money.
We are here at the Fresno Fair. You ready for RMF?
Hop Hop Theater is in the back with us.
We just parked our cars over there.
Gonna go try to find the fitting room.
Well, I know where that's at.
Yeet.
But it's so fun without no people here at the fair.
Can't wait to climb on these. Yeah.
We finally got our passes. This is Rhythm4 having their own pass.
I got mine first. Mine first.
Oh my gosh.
El mail.
Hey, it's time to go have some fun, yeah? Let's go be in the kids section.
Yeah, dude. Red carpet.
Alright, we got Kevin doing the red carpet walk.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, guys?
Rhythm4.
Rhythm5.
Okay.
We're gonna find somewhere quiet to practice. Cause it's pretty loud over there.
Catfish.
Shit, water in here.
Wait, isn't there used to be fishing here?
Yeah.
뭔지 해요.
Muốn chơi mua cà phê, muốn bass, muốn sáu mình ngon nữa.
Huh? I'm already vlogging, bro. Cô tay xa nó từ sập tổ camera.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Chỗ đủ.
Yeah. Có đưa hai đầu cụ tiền có vô lúc cụ y lãnh sự. Ooh, look at that. Won't you look at that? Yeah.
We got good luck. We got good luck.
Yeah, boy.
They heard the mouth. Yeah. Hey, you guys want to sing first? There you go.
Ready?
I do the breathing thing.
One more time.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Stop. This one's deep. On my side.
Của tuổi có hai luôn.
It's easy like this.
Got your vlog on.
Artist pass.
Red carpet.
Yeah.
Yo. Ooh. Red carpet in a bit. Yeah, my time.
I see Aiden Tao's motorcycle.
Yeah.
Let's take a good look at it real quick. Damn.
Get the package there.
Damn. Sheesh. I could love the color.
Can you put my voice louder in the mix? I can't hear myself.
Rhythm4.
They gave me fake eyebrows. Just kidding. They made it thicker.
Hey, in-house artist is on stage.
Yeah, in-house. Yes.
In-house artist in the first stage.
What up? You like my makeup?
Hi everyone. This is Rhythm4. This is YK.
It's like her.
This is the
Joey Vang.
this is the start of the video.
That is for real?
Are you guys Rhythm4?
Yes.
I'm such a huge fan.
I was like, what are you doing?
They're gonna be performing later at RMF, and like I made posters.
That's Chris Mack. That's Chris Mack. Chris Mack Mateo.
Ralph Edwards. Oh, so it's gonna be
Are you gonna do another one?
You gonna do that?
In 14
Yeah.
photo shoot on my phone.
Those people walking around outside.
Look at that YK. Look at YK's post. Look at that.
Boy. Semua aja, semua.
You know what? I was just like,
What you gotta say?
this is Rhythm4. Represent. This is.
Cut.
Talking to Mike, please. Test. Test. Chief 24. Yep. Talk, please.
Testing.
There she is. Test.
Hello. Alright. You want to, I look good?
Go, okay, go.
Okay.
That's good.
Let's go. YK's gonna kill it, bro. On the song, right?
Can you hear yourself in the way?
Hello.
Ralph
This
Edwards.
song's good.
Testing.
Hey, YK's rapping it too.
Man, my camera's so broken. We're gonna use yours, dude. That is Ling Yang. Worshipping Peter.
We got some space right here. We got space right here.
What's the word? No. Yeah, that's what are we over there? Everyone's like, oh.
Oh my God. We have to use the restroom before our performance in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Technically, 30 minutes, yes, if we're on schedule.
I think we are. Restroom break though. I'm scared. Hi, Sandy.
Hi, that's that.
Hi, Japan.
He didn't look.
Damn, the white hair though. Damn, Zaddy. Why are you looking so good for? Damn.
Make some noise for Adam Tham one more time.
This is Rhythm4. Sing anytime.
What's up, guys?
Adam Tham.
Sorry about that. Some smoke got into my eyes, so I can't really see right now.
Oh, he's on stage. I was aiming at the motorcycle.
Smoke out of your eye too.
First, I would like to thank Rise for inviting me out tonight to be one of the guest speakers for RMF. Second of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys for coming out and supporting not just me, but a lot of the amazing artists that you guys seen perform tonight.
Let's go! What can?
I'm not done yet. Get ready. We're gonna start. Let's go.
I wanna go walk. Let's go walk outside.
We're backstage.
We're gonna be time for our song starts.
That's Chimoli. Chimotululi.
His name is not her. Unfortunately, he can't be here tonight. So I do have someone filling in for him.
Not her. Rhythm4.
Please give it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for YK.
Why Case making name out there, bro? He's making name.
有看不我不比较，我做给路，天里有不找到。
不要骂我，多少都定啊！保持时间对前把鼓手动心就当马，我们随时都一样，我不就打，几多傻逼鼓有样，叫个女雷丽娜，但是那我去做吧，no one that 不过头，对面写上动起吧，你我性格对亲呀，有我家，这样这里手把嘎，声音对比更加看埋伏。只要对父母有某些下辈因为做我做朋友，共人做对人去对大漠满人错，你穷人要多谁多，有些多，这种善良的被人了家，把个梦让通着说，老婆全马里塔，听我家了把个手，我看见我转过来，有我说到黑不嘛，无论你如果一样，期末读了不要样，都给路铁个难，头最哈，虽然目前不问题，各有苦走吧。
最痛我的头给路难我，你不应该知道我的寂寞感。
早许多，没谁的人第四被只要赢多。我宁要一首自由去揣自如古墨，我宁要一首自由去揣远路说落。跑飞海内梦，跑到北洋中，要被西方式路给朦胧被一起放手。梦只是一路梦。